Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer Clash of the Clans account from Android to iOS. This is very easy method. Let's see how to work that. Sometimes when we're using Android mobile, we can get our old Clash of the Clans account using Google Play. We can transfer this account to iOS, iPhone using Supercell ID to connect Supercell ID on your game. Select and click Setting icon. Then you will see like this pop-up screen. Now here disconnected my Supercell ID. We can create a Supercell ID, but in this time, I am not going to create new one. I have already Supercell ID. Let me sign in. Check it back. Here my account now connected with Supercell ID. Now we can use this Clash of the Clans account with iPhone. Open the app. Then it will new game experience like this. Click setting icon in the screen and connect with previous Supercell ID. Here we go. We got the Clash of the Clans account to iPhone. After trying this, please give a comment. It's worked for you or not? Subscribe me to watch more videos. Thank you. See you again.